In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom domain in Odoo online. We'll begin from the Odoo home screen. From there, click on Website. This will take you into the website management area, which is where Odoo gives you access to settings related to your site and domain options. Once you're inside the website section, click on Configuration. This is where you can manage important website settings, including the domain name connected to your online store or business site. After that, click on Domain Name to open the Domain Setup area. On the domain page, click on My Website is Ready. This tells Odoo that you're ready to move forward with connecting or registering a domain for your website. On the next screen, click on Get a New Domain Name. This option is for users who want to purchase and register a brand new domain directly through the platform, rather than connecting one they already own. Now, type in the domain name you want to use. Try to choose a name that matches your brand, is easy to remember, and is simple to spell. After entering it, click on the search icon to check availability. Odoo will show you a list of available options based on what you searched for. Choose the domain you want and then click Select. Be sure to review the extension carefully, such as whether you want a standard option or something more specific to your region or business type. Next, select the type of contact. This is typically used for domain registration details, so choose the option that best matches your situation. After that, fill in the requested contact information. Enter your first name, then your last name, and then your phone number. Make sure these details are accurate since domain registration usually requires valid ownership information. Continue by choosing your country from the drop-down list. Then type in your address followed by your zip code. Take your time here and double check everything before submitting because domain registration details should be correct and consistent. Once all the required information has been filled in, click on Register. This final step submits your domain registration request through Odoo. After registering, keep in mind that domain setup can sometimes take a little time to process. If the domain doesn't appear active immediately, that's normal. Just give it some time and check back in your website settings. And that's how to add a custom domain in Odoo online.